Dinner. Din din. Din din. Labby din din. Labby din din. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Notice a big honker chocolate boy in the middle of the little bowl. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a big bowl and a little bowl. And they're piranha babies, piranha labs. They'll get rid of that 6 cups of food that's been soaking real quick. 4 black babies and 6 chocolate babies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Little piranhas. Piranha labs. Hopefully tomorrow they'll be outdoors at their doghouse. The bellies are getting fat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's your water bowl. Whoops. Are you out of water? Looks like it. There, go get them some water. Oh, it's 3 minutes. I'll quit. They're almost done.